Okay. Ma'am, we have seen about the home menu in MS Excel. Clipboard, font, alignment, and number. We have seen the data types available in MS Excel through the number tab. Then we go on to styles. Styles is not very difficult. It's something similar to the styles we have seen in MS Word. We have seen that heading 1, heading 2, and other styles are available in MS Word. Whereas here we are not bothered about headings. We are not creating any book. Therefore, it will be offering you conditional formatting and other styling features. We have already used conditional formatting. I'll tell you how. Okay, I'll again explain the same process. Look, within styles, we have conditional formatting. Conditional formatting means we highlight certain values or numbers if they match our criterion. Okay, this is useful when you have a large set of data. You have the marks for 100 students, or you have the date of birth for many persons, maybe thousands, 2000 persons, and you wish to highlight those persons who are eligible for voting, or you wish to highlight those persons who are above 15 years of age, some condition. We have certain criteria, and we wish to highlight the particular cells in which the right values are contained. We can do it through conditional formatting. Impose a condition. Highlight all marks greater than 90, all marks greater than 80, anything. You offer the condition, it will highlight those cells and highlight the cells containing marks less than 35, those students who have failed. You can identify through conditional formatting. Condition means a particular constraint, a particular rule. Okay, you compare everything against a particular rule. If it fails, there is an action. If it succeeds, there is another action. Okay, similar to if condition. Okay, then we have highlight cell rules: greater than, less than, between, equal to. Then text that contains or date date occurring, duplicate values, all these are available. We have used only greater than or equal to rule. Greater than or equal to rule. Highlight cell rules, and we have gone to greater than or less than, between, equal to. Greater than or equal to? No. Top and bottom rules. Within this, we have gone to top 10, bottom 10, below average. No. Where is greater than? Greater than or equal to? Greater than or equals? No. Whereas you go to greater than and then choose the condition. Greater than. Have we used only greater than rule? Or greater than or equals? I don't remember. Okay. We will have certain marks. Ran between equals ran between 80 and 100. We offer marks in the range of 80 and 100. Then we select this area and wish to highlight certain features. What are they? The first one is highlight cell rules greater than or equals. Where is greater than or equal symbol? More rules. Maybe we should go to more rules, and there would be greater than or just take a look at this. Greater than or equal to. Maybe due to some interface problem, it's not displaying. Greater than or equal to is available. I have gone to more rules and then I have chosen greater than or equal to. I type 90. Any person having mark greater than 90 would be given a format. No format set. I choose the format. How? I can say the font should be bold and then the font should be 14. Font size cannot be changed. Then wait. Border. You apply a particular border. Border with or fill. You apply a particular shade of filling. Orange fill. Orange or whatever you call it. Yellow. You just take a look at this any person having mark greater than 90, greater than or equals 90 has been highlighted here. Any person having mark up to 89 does not have any highlight. Okay. Conditional formatting will help you to apply a particular condition and highlight the cells according to your wish. I have chosen only fill and bold font. You can choose any other styling feature. You can choose a different border, you can choose a different font or whatever other detail you wish to apply. Okay, this is conditional formatting. You have a condition and then you apply the condition to highlight the cells. Okay, then format as table. Suppose we create a spreadsheet and wish to format the spreadsheet as a table. Excel, normally Excel has got everything in the form of a table itself. And I open this data. The data is already available as a table, isn't it? Excel works with tables. Whereas you can choose to format the data as a separate table inside the spreadsheet. You go to format as table and then apply a different style, just like MS Word. It has got several styles for our tables. You apply any particular style and the table will get highlighted. You just look at this. The table has been beautified through format as table. Okay, then you print. It appears with all the colors and extra beautifying features. Whereas I don't recommend using format as table feature. You take it to MS Word, then format it as a table. It's easier and better. Rather than formatting the table within MS Excel, it's possible for us to copy the table to MS Word and then format the table as you wish. Because it's not possible, I think, it's not possible to remove the table feature from the Excel table. Once you make it as a table, you can't come out of it. Irreversible process. And you cannot take the data outside of this table. It's a bit difficult. Sometimes we may need the data alone. Then we have to press Ctrl A, copy, and then Alt ES, just the values. Take just the values and then you have to proceed. Only the values will appear here. The table feature will be gone. There is no provision for removing, just like bullets and numbering. You apply the bullets and numbering, sometimes you may not need them, apply none. Whereas there is no none feature for any Excel table. You have to keep it as a table. If you wish to get the data, you have to copy the data, paste it in some other place through Alt ES, paste special. Okay, done. After this, we go to then format as table, then cell styles. You can apply different styles to different cells. You choose certain cells and then apply certain styles. There are some predefined cell styles. You can choose any one of the styles you wish. I apply this blue style, blue background, not distinct. It contains a combination of background and foreground colors. Okay, cell styles has got predefined combination of background and foreground colors. சரி நம்ம எதை சொல்லுறதுமா செல் ஸ்டைல் சொன்னோம் இல்லையா ஓகே இரு அதுக்கப்புறமா இங்க பாரு இன்சர்ட்ல வந்து இன்சர்ட்ல நீங்க என்ன பண்ணலாம் எக்ஸ்ட்ராவா எனக்கு இந்த இடத்துல ஒரு செல் வேணும் அப்படின்னு நினைக்கிறேன்னு வச்சுக்கோயேன் நீ என்ன பண்ணலாம் இன்சர்ட்டுக்கு போயிட்டு இன்சர்ட் செல்லுன்னு கொடுத்தேன்னா இங்க பாரு என்ன நடந்திருக்கு தெரியுதா உனக்கு ஒரு செல் மட்டும் இன்சர்ட் ஆகல ஒரு அதாவது ஆக்சுவலா இந்த ஒரு ரோ ஃபுல்லும் இன்சர்ட் ஆகுச்சு இந்த ஒரு செல்லுக்காக நான் இப்ப கண்ட்ரோல் Z கொடுக்குறேன் இப்ப எங்க இருக்கிறேன்னு தெரியுதா உங்களுக்கு ஹாஸ்பிட்டல் எக்ஸ்பென்ஸ்க்காக இருக்கிறேன் நான். ஆனா நான் இப்ப இன்சர்ட்டுக்கு போயிட்டு இன்சர்ட் செல்ஸ்ன்னு கொடுத்தேன்னு வச்சுக்கோயேன், என்ன நடந்திருக்கு பாருங்க, ஒரு செல் நடந்திருக்குது ஆனா ஷிஃப்ட் ஆயிடுது கீழே மீதி எல்லாம். இப்ப கண்ட்ரோல் Z கொடுக்குறேன், திரும்ப இன்சர்ட்டுக்கு போறேன், இன்சர்ட் ரோ, ஒரு ஃபுல் ரோ வேணும் இன்சர்ட் பண்ணலாம். அப்படி எனக்கு பத்தல, எனக்கு ஒரு காலம் வேணும், இங்க இன்சர்ட்டுக்கு போங்க, இன்சர்ட்ல வந்து இன்சர்ட் ஷீட் காலம், ஒரு புது காலம் வரும். ஓகேவா, இங்க பாரு இன்கமுக்கும் எக்ஸ்பென்ஸுக்கும் நடுவுல ஒரு புது காலம் வந்து நான் கண்ட்ரோல் Z கொடுத்து இதை ரிமூவ் பண்ணிடுறேன். அப்ப நீங்க என்னென்னலாம் பண்ணலாம், ஒரு செல் வேணும்னா ஒரு செல் இன்சர்ட் பண்ணலாம், ஒரு ரோ இன்சர்ட் பண்ணலாம், ஒரு காலம் இன்சர்ட் பண்ணலாம். இட்ஸ் ஆல் பாசிபிள். அதுக்கப்புறமா இன்சர்ட்டுக்கு போயிட்டு நீங்க என்ன பண்ணலாம், ரோஸ் எபோ ரோஸ் பிலோ. இது எப்படி கேட்டீங்கன்னா, நான் இப்ப இருக்கிறேன் இல்லையா, இருக்கிற இடத்துக்கு மேல கீழே, மேல வேணும்னாலும் ரோ இன்சர்ட் பண்ணலாம், ரோஸ் எபோ கொடுத்தா நான் இருக்கிற செல்லுக்கு மேல. அதே நான் இப்ப இருக்கிற இடத்துக்கு கீழே வேணும்னா இன்சர்ட்டுக்கு போங்க, இன்சர்ட் below the column. You say insert below the column, it will insert, it has not inserted below, insert below, no, it's wrong. Wait, control Z. Whereas more control is available from another location. I'll tell you where. You may go to design menu and then design, or wait, layout. There would be better control. Wait, I'll show you where it. Insert, insert rows above, rows below, or you can simply right click upon the cell and then choose insert format cells. Insert, where is insert? Insert cells to the right, cells to the left, entire row, entire column. These features are available when you right click upon it. Instead of going to this insert menu, you can right click upon a particular cell and choose what you wish to insert. You may wish table column to the left, table rows above, anything is possible. Okay, whereas I should not have converted this one into a table. I could have created a text version of it and then I could have shown you how these things work. Okay, then insert a new sheet. You can go to insert sheet 2 or sheet 3. Anything is possible with, okay, I delete this. How to delete a sheet? You know how to insert a sheet. This plus symbol will insert a new sheet. Or you go to insert menu and then choose insert sheet. This will also insert a sheet. Whereas if I wish to delete, either I can go to this delete menu and then delete sheet. It's possible to delete through this delete menu. Or I can right click upon the sheet name and press delete. It will be gone. The sheet will be gone. Okay, Excel has got several sheets, provision for several sheets, whereas sheet 1 is displayed by default. Whereas in the previous versions, 3 sheets would be displayed by default. Sheet 1, sheet 2 and sheet 3. Beyond sheet 3, we may have to insert sheets on our own terms. Okay, ma. Then similar to insert menu, you can choose to delete a cell, shift cells up. You just take a look at this. The particular cell has been deleted and there is a gap here. When you delete, you should be very cautious. There may be some errors occurring due to our wrong deletion. Okay, when you insert also, when you insert a row or column within a table, you should be doubly cautious. Okay, it may lead to several mistakes or errors. Instead, it is better for us to copy the values. Suppose I wish to insert a row. It's better for you to copy the values, paste them somewhere and then make it a blank row. Okay, otherwise we may end up with some unwanted mistake. Okay, then I go to delete. I can delete rows or columns or cells or an entire sheet. I can delete an entire sheet if I wish. Whereas there is no undo for deletion of sheet. If you delete the sheet, nothing will remain with you. Everything is gone. I'll show you. Because undo will work within the sheet. Whereas after you delete the sheet, there is no possibility for undo to work. It will not restore your sheet itself. Gone. Wait. It's taking a bit of time for deleting the pivot chart. Okay. Thereafter, we have format. Undo. No. Undo cannot insert the deleted sheet. Right now, it's not possible. Then format. Format row height. I can change the height of the row. I wish to make all these rows a bit larger. I select the rows by clicking. You just look how I select. I choose this border, the number on the border. You just take a look at this. I am not choosing any particular row within the cells. I am clicking upon this number, row number, and then dragging the cursor. I can choose any number of rows, and then I can format the row height through row height option. It's only 15. I choose 25. 25 as the row height. Okay. It becomes higher, larger. I can choose format column width. I can choose column width. I can enter a particular value for all the columns to follow. Maybe 40 pixels wide. You take a look, all the columns become equal and they are wrongly formatted right now. I'll choose Control Z because it was a mistake to format all the columns with a 40 pixel width. Then I go to format. I can choose fit column to the content. I can choose this one and then fit column width. It chooses the width appropriately according to the data available. Okay. Then with this, we shall close theory today. We have seen only styles and cells. Styles and cells. Editing has been left out. We will look at editing tomorrow. Okay. With this, we close theory. We go to practical. Don't save. சரி பிள்ளைங்களா நான் இப்ப என்ன பண்றேன் விண்டோஸ் ஆர் எக்ஸல் ஏன் டென்ஷன் ஆகிட்டேன்